The activities shown in this video were conducted under controlled conditions by trained professionals. Do not attempt. Improper use, modification, or misuse of equipment may result in serious injury, property damage, and will void all applicable warranties. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey guys, down with Orion with Crowbar Sand and Gravel, and behind us here we got a gooseneck telescopic dump, one of our brand new models. It's completely stock. We didn't do anything to this, but our goal today is to break it, push it to its limits just to see how much it's gonna last. As you can see, it's got two 7,000-pound axles. It's got the 16-ply tires on it. Ryan, how many scoops do you think we can put in here?
We're gonna put 3 for 20,000.
3 for 20,000 pounds. So this thing, we're gonna overload it. Don't try this. Today, our goal is just to break this trailer. All right, now that we got all the rock in here, they said it's about 19,000 pounds of rock. We got about a 2,000-pound bed, so we're gonna see if this thing will lift 22,000 pounds. All right, guys, we just did 20,000 pounds of 57 rock, which was nothing for this thing. So explain to us what we're gonna do now.
We're gonna take as much base rock as we can pile on here. We're gonna see how many thousands of pounds we can stack it up.
How much weight do you think this is right here?
We've got over 28,000 pounds, more than what we would put in a dump truck.
Hear that? More than goes in a dump truck, we've got in a little gooseneck trailer right here. Nothing's bowed up. Axles aren't bent. Frame looks perfect. Let's see if it'll lift this. Holy shit, that was somewhere between 28 and 30,000 pounds we just listed. I'm pretty sure we broke every record with this trailer. Now let's go to the next step where we're just gonna drop it and break it. All right, guys, we've tried to overload it. We've tried to bend the sides. We've been unsuccessful. So now we're just gonna try and break the thing. Here, help me. I got Jeff with Industrial Recycling. Jeff, explain to me the 3 things that we're gonna drop into this.
So we're gonna drop a 3,000-pound pipe inside the trailer. We're gonna drop a 5,000-pound truck inside the trailer, and then we're gonna drop a 7,000-pound forklift inside the trailer.
All right, guys, we just dropped a 3,000 piece of pipe in there. Couple scratches, a little dent on the top corner. Other than that, the bed's in great condition. The frame's not bent or anything. Now we got, let's call it a mid-86 model Chevy. Can you explain us how much that weighs?
That's a 5,000-pound square body Chevrolet that we're gonna drop in here.
All right, can't wait. Can you lift it up higher? All right, even after a 3,000-pound pipe, a 5,000-pound old truck, the frame is still in perfect condition. Other than a couple scratches on the floor, no dents at all. We got a dent in our side over there. Nothing major at all. We still got one more thing to do and then a grand finale, so stick around. All right, guys, so far I've been unsuccessful, but now we've got a forklift on here that we're about to drop. It's going to be the heaviest thing we've ever dropped on a dump trailer, so explain to us just how much this weighs.
So this is an 8,000-pound forklift that's about to go into this trailer.
I'm determined to break this thing today, so hopefully this makes it happen.
Hell yeah. Damn, bust the tire though.
There goes the tire. All right, guys, after 30,000 pounds of gravel being dumped in it, a 3,000-pound pipe, a 5,000-pound truck, and a 7,000-pound forklift, we still haven't even bent, scratched, or anything to frame on this. Pretty sure we bent the axle on the back, but as far as the frame, the bed, everything, we've got just a small dent right there. It's probably scratched up inside, but other than that, this thing's still in perfect condition, which amazes me, because I don't want to break this thing. So next, we're gonna let this thing in the air and just drop it. I hope this thing breaks to hell. All right, guys, we've taken this trailer to hell and back. We've bent the axles, we've busted the tires, we dented the bed a little bit on top, not too bad, scratched it up. Other than that, this thing's still driving down the road perfect, ready to use again. If you like this and want to get you one of these bad boys, contact a dealer nearest you.